Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Gunpla channel. And this is Avery, my AI assistant.
Digital companion online.
I feel excited to share a review for the 13th Angel Bardiel LMHG today. Maybe it's bad, perhaps it's good. Let's check it out.
Bardiel, the 13th Angel, is a formidable antagonist who first appears in episode 18 of the Neon Genesis Evangelion anime TV show. It infects Evangelion Unit 03, assuming its form and inheriting its strength. Bardiel's actions profoundly impact the main cast, particularly Shinji. Any RV's decision to destroy Bardiel using Unit 01 has devastating consequences, leaving Shinji emotionally scarred and nearly resulting in Toji's death.
Bardiel, the 13th Angel model kit, is part of the limited model high-grade line of models. It was released in 1997.
The price was 2,500 yen.
2,500 yen? That's a bit steep, don't you think?
Standard market value for a model of this scale.
Are you working for Bandai?
My primary function is to provide information, not endorsements.
The user manual was informative and easy to follow. It provided details on the model's story, assembly steps, and color guide. However, it forgot to explain how to attach the positron rifle to the Angel.
It comes with 9 pieces of runners and 1 sticker.
The building was relaxing and enjoyable. I spent approximately 1.5 hours on the basic assembly.
Construction time within acceptable parameters.
The model looks stunning even without any painting. However, as it is an HG model, some painting is inevitable.
Additional colors may be applied for personalized appearance. Crawl hand 1 pair. Natural posture hand 1 pair. Fist posture hand 1 pair. Grabbing posture right hand 1 unit. Gun grabbing posture right hand 1 unit. External power supply cable 1 unit. Pallet rifle 1 unit. EVA progressive knife 1 unit. Positron rifle 1 unit. Umbilical cable 1 unit. Entry plug 1 unit. It was 63 grams. Height is approximately 23 centimeters.
For mobility, the head had good flexibility and the mouth could be opened. The shoulder had limited range of motion, but it still allowed for a lot of playability. The multiple joint ways allowed for significant bending, as described in the box. The tights movement is limited to a specific direction. Its movements differ considerably from the other LMHG Evangelion model. The elbow's unique design sets it apart from other EVA models. It lacked an inner joint but utilized a special plastic material that allowed for flexibility. I'm concerned about the long-term durability of the elbow joint. Repeated bending could be potentially lead to wear and tear. The model was firm and steady. One leg challenge passed.
Stability observed.
Well, that's all for our review for today. In a scale of 0 to 10, how do you rate this kit? Please leave the comment below. Please click like, subscribe and share this video. It means a lot to us.
Help us grow by sharing and subscribing.
Thanks for watching.